Kia ora koutou e te whānau, nau mai, haere mai, hoki mai, or if you're just new here, nau mai, whakatau mai nei. Welcome here to our Wānanga Patua te Taniwha, where it's about getting rid of these Taniwha we have, like shyness and, as we say, whakamā, but there's many faces of whakamā. We talk about them later on in the Wānanga, but if this is your first time here, welcome here. I'm just doing this ad-lib because sometimes I take too long. I'm going to keep it short, and that's what it's about for you guys too. Coming in here and you're going to do presentations and different things. Just before I move on, I want to thank all the whānau who started with me last year, 2019. We started at the beginning of the year and we had about, I don't know, between 10, 20, sometimes up to 30 people in doing different things, different wero. But it is challenging, and as I say, it is free, but you do have to play. And that's what it's about. It's have a play, have some fun, and dispel all these things that we think we can't do, like who said we can't do a pukana and poke out our tongue. Anyway, whānau, for those who were with me last year and throughout the year and kept the Wānanga going, we had a break mid-year because we did another wero outside of this Wānanga. But we picked it up at the end of the year and we had some new whānau join. Some joined right on the end and they had to go away for Christmas. And I know you guys are still sitting in there. So when you're ready, jump back on board. For those of you who are wondering, we have 10 wānanga and you guys have got up to part 4. You've done your 4th challenge. You won't see them in the Wānanga at the moment. And while I remember, if you are new and you're new here, go straight to units. From now on, when you come into the Wānanga, go to units and you'll get everything in an order to follow. Hey, that's about it. I want to get on to the new kaupapa for this year. Our new kaupapa, just to start out, is a 10 week, it's a free 10 week koro tui waiata challenge. And that whakatauki o ki waha koro tui, it goes me he koro tui. And it refers to an orator, so it's going to help you with your speaking, your pronunciation, enunciation, and also that of a bellbird. So those who sing and opera singers, you say, me he koro tui, tino pai tona waiata. And that's what we're going to be using. We're going to try a series here. There'll be 6 preheats, some fun ones. You'll see, I have a bit of a light-hearted approach in here, but we grow every week and there's always an objective. So I want you to just loosen up, sit back, enjoy the ride. You're going to put yourself out there, out of your comfort zone. This one, which is singing, the other one was speaking and written. There'll be singing, then there'll be a written component. I'll have a different kaupapa each week. You just follow your nose and we're going to go there. I think that's about it. I don't want to drag it out. The main thing in this Wānanga, it isn't a kohanga reo, even though a kohanga reo is awesome, but the word Wānanga means wā me te wāhi mo te ako, a time and a place to learn, but to advance. So if you've come in here and you're a beginner, we're going to be inviting lots of people in here, so don't hold back. And as you know, people are shy. So the more supportive you are, just like when you go to the marae, people support you, you support people in here. There'll be Māori, there'll be non-Māori, there'll be Pākehā, there'll be Hainamana. I don't care who we have in here. Once we're in here, we're whānau. And the idea is to support each other. So when someone's putting themselves out there on a limb in a post, in a recording or a post, I will like you all, as many as you can, to not just say no mai, haere mai and copy and paste on everyone's. Have a look where they've come from, listen to what they said in their waiata, listen to their little introduction in their waiata, you'll hear where they're from and give them a little shout out, and that's all I ask. I think that's about it. Once you've watched this video, the welcome video, all I'd like you to do is we share a lot of love in here. Love means you've seen it, you didn't have to like it, but love means you've seen it, and then put down tautoko and the date that you joined, and then we know everyone's up to speed. From this welcome video, if you go to the next video, it's just a little clip, a slide, photo slide clip I've done of our kawa and tikanga. And it's important that we have our kawa and tikanga as opposed to rules and regulations, just something to help us and for new people to our wānanga, just to help guide us and keep us safe. There will be a couple of other things happening as we go along. As you know, in the school terms, you have 4 school terms, so just keep an eye on those 4 kaupapa. I'll be also doing some master classes on another kaupapa. We have 4 master classes this year, and they'll be about the ABCs of Te Reo Māori, pronunciation and enunciation. So going to invite all your whānau and friends in here, and school teachers and those who want to teach. The second one will be the Kiimai 5, the 5 components of learning Te Reo Māori, the kupu, the kiwaha, the whakatauki, the kianga, and the waiata kinaki. So watch out for that. The third one will be Te Pātaka Reo. That one, the Te Pātaka Reo Māori language series, that's all about reo around the kitchen and the house and the kai. So that's another kaupapa there. And the last one at the end of the year will be the 10-week karakia challenge. And we'll talk more about that as we go along. But that's about it for now. I want to keep it short, and I don't even think that was short. But you guys will see what it's like when you start making your videos. Once again, welcome here to the Wānanga. I was so stoked with how the whānau got on board this year. It's a lot of work on this side, but it's really worth it. It's really worth it, seeing the growth in you guys, and just, I don't know, it was so good, especially at the end of the year when I was getting a bit tired, only because, like you guys, I like to put a lot into it, and then just seeing what come back at the end of the year. I'm so proud of you all, and I'm looking forward to another year ahead, and I'd like you all to support me, to support all our new people who come in. Awhi mai, awhi atu, tātou e. So that's about it. Don't forget to watch the kawa tikanga after this. Also tautoko, both videos. Put your date down, and even if you're a return tauira or manu tioriori for this year, just put your name down again and this date, so we know you're updated. I think that's enough for now. Last time I edited all these videos, but I think that's enough for this one, and hopefully I've covered everything. I should have wrote it down. He taonga tonu te ware, but I'll see you in the Wānanga. Looking forward to meeting you. Let's go whānau, Patua te Taniwha, 2020, rua te kau, mā rua te kau. Hei konei rā, pūkana. And don't forget those pūkana goals. I'm going to be checking up, and we will chase up on those later on in the year. I have some new templates for you to put them in all into the templates, and then we'll bring the new people on board. All right then, go tune up. I'll talk to you about it later. Hei konei rā. Well, kia ora koutou e te whānau. Thanks for all your whakarongo, titiro, and listening up in there. It was a bit of a kōrero, but that's going to set us up for the next 10 weeks at least, and it'll be a good heads up for the rest of the year. Hey, don't forget to invite all your whānau, friends, workmates, colleagues, neighbours. Remember to tautoko each other. It's very important. It is a wānanga. You're going to be challenged, and I look forward to seeing the growth in you all this year. Anyone under 16, please get a kōrero from your mātua. Otherwise, see you here whānau. Hei konei rā.